In your device has installing one of the most popular OS, you must check ASPOS. ASPOS is a software development company that offers numerous APIs, which can be used by developers to create, edit, convert, or render file formats. I receive a file in XLS format, but I don't have MS Office installed. I will show you how I read it with the help of ASPOS. Open the ASPOS page. Products. Click ASPOS Sales. Click Conversion. Locate the file in the hard disk. Convert is PDF. Wait 6 seconds. Download the PDF file. Now I can read it.